My computer crashed last week, so no, this is not clickbait, it actually happened. But I'm going to be doing my own repair. So my M.2 SSD actually got damaged, and that's the storage that has on my Windows. So I have to change that. Right here I have a Kingston Fury 1 terabyte M.2, and I'm happy because that's double the storage of what I had before. So first I'm going to go ahead and remove the old M2 that's damaged. This one was 500 gigabytes, so at least there's a little positive there. So I removed the screw that was holding it down, and then you can just gently remove it like this. Now it's time to put in the new one. So there goes my Fury 1 terabyte. I'm so happy. And now I'm just adding back the screw for this and making sure that it is just snug in the slot, right? Right after this, we need to go ahead and install back the Windows operating system. So I'm going to install the Windows 10 operating system, the free version for now, and then later I'll just activate it for all the perks. So look out for more videos from me coming really soon because my system is back up. So subscribe and take care.